Did you know your kidneys filter 50 gallons of blood every single day? That's like filling up a huge bathtub every day. Your kidneys are working tirelessly to keep you alive, yet most of us don't even think about them until something is wrong or that something goes wrong. But I want to change that. So today we're diving into the 5 best drinks to improve your kidneys, support their function, and even prevent kidney problems before they start. This is amazing. But before we jump in, here's a quick truth bomb. Protecting your kidneys isn't just about drinking more water. I hear that all the time. You think, drink more water, drink more water. Trust me, it's more than that. And one of these drinks might completely change how you think about your health. First, let's talk about the unsung heroes of your body, your kidneys. These fist-sized organs, they filter out toxins, they maintain the perfect balance of electrolytes, and they regulate your blood pressure. And here's a fun fact that you may not have known about your kidneys. Your kidneys also produce important hormones, which help make red blood cells. And without your kidneys working hard, your whole body feels it. From fatigue to swelling and even brain fog can all stem from kidney stress. And here's a little known fact. Many of us didn't know that our kidneys control the pH levels of our blood. It keeps our body in perfect balance. And I would say that's some next level chemistry because many of us didn't know that. And did you know kidney problems can sneak up on you without obvious symptoms? That's a big deal. Issues like fatigue or swelling might seem small, but could point to deeper kidney stress. And here's a myth that I want to bust. Drinking gallons of water equals perfect kidney health. Is that true? Nope, that's false. It's not just about hydration. It's about what you're drinking. And another myth, kidney problems only affect older adults. Is that true? Nope, that's false. Unhealthy diets and stress impact kidneys at any age. So kidney problems can happen to anyone. And I need you all to understand that. Let's take a quick pulse check. How often do you think about your kidneys? Think about it for a moment. Be honest. Is it once a week or maybe never? Most people is going to say never. Well, you know what? Drop your answer in the comments and don't worry, I'm not going to judge you. There's no judgment here. But I want you to know you're not alone, but this is going to change today because I'm going to enlighten you the power of these kidneys and help you make some drinks to help your body. Now, let's start with a powerhouse, beetroot juice. This vibrant drink isn't just beautiful, it's packed with nitrates that improve blood flow to your kidneys. By enhancing circulation, beetroot juice helps your kidneys work more efficiently. It also supports detoxification with its natural phytochemicals. Now, studies have shown that beetroot juice can even lower blood pressure, and this is coming from studies. And this is a bonus for kidney health. And here's a quick tip. If the earthy taste isn't your thing, because beetroot juice, it has to grow on you, then here's my suggestion. Mix your beetroot juice with an apple or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Now that's good. Now let's talk about something else. Let's talk about green tea. If your kidneys could choose their favorite drink, this just might be it. Now, green tea is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great choice for anyone with chronic kidney concerns. Sip it in the afternoon instead of sipping that coffee, and your kidneys will thank you. I love green tea. I actually have green tea every morning. It is a specialty for me. Now, what I want to say is this. Let's have some fun. Which team are you on? Team beetroot or team green tea? Drop an emoji in the comments if you prefer beetroot juice, and drop an emoji of a green tea or a cup of tea if you choose green tea. I want to see which drink is going to take the crown. I just want to get your engagement in here because this is important. I'm trying to make this video important and yet fun for you to stay throughout. Now, the next drink, or drink number 3, is a classic. It's cranberry juice. And no, I am not talking about that sugary cocktail mix. I'm talking about pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. It is the champion for your kidneys. It contains some important compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. Now, this makes cranberry juice a powerful tool for preventing UTIs, which can stress your kidneys. Now, if you're prone to kidney stones, I would say talk to your doctor before adding this to your daily routine. But cranberry juice is one of my favorites. It really is. Now, drink number 4 is my personal favorite, dandelion tea. And yes, it is the same plant that you pulling the weeds out of your garden in the back. It's a wonder from God. It acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess fluids and toxins. So them weeds in your backyard, it's a powerful medicine. You know the saying, food is medicine. Plus, it contains potassium, which is essential for keeping your kidneys happy. Now, I love sipping dandelion tea in the evening because it also is very calming and detoxifying all at once. So stop pulling them weeds and throwing it away. Go get your dandelion, your fresh dandelion, and make you some dandelion tea. Now, real talk. How many of you have actually tried dandelion tea? I know it sounds a little out there, but I promise you, it's worth a shot. Let me know in the comments, are you adventurous enough to go pull some weeds out your backyard and steep yourself some dandelion tea? I want to know if you're willing to do it. If not, you can always find it on Amazon and different places where you can get the dried tea leaves already. I want to share something else with you. This one, I would say, last but not least, it's lemon water. It's simple, it's affordable, and powerful. Lemon water is rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stone. It also alkalizes your urine, reducing acidity that can strain your kidneys. And all you need to do is squeeze half a lemon into warm water each morning. It's a small habit with big benefits. And so that it doesn't hurt the enamel of your teeth, drink it out of a straw. Now, before you go buying every detox tea on the shelf, let me warn you, not all detox drinks are created equal. Many contain additives that can actually damage your kidneys. So I want you to always read the labels of everything we buy. Always go for natural, 100% natural. This is the way to go. This is a proven option that can help you in all ways. I got a quick question for you though. If you had to pick just one of these drinks to start, which one would it be? Would it be the lemon water? Would it be the beetroot juice? Would it be the green tea? Let me know below. And bonus points if you've already tried any of these or all of these. Now I want to share something with you guys that's very important. If you found this information that I provided to you today helpful, imagine what you can learn inside my exclusive community. It's packed with personalized health tips, meal plans, live Q&As, and insider secrets you won't find anywhere else. You guys know, I know the tea, I know the stuff. Plus, you'll connect with people just like you who are ready to take their health to the next level. So whether you're looking to improve your kidneys, boost your energy, grow your hair, or just feel absolute your best overall, this is where you want to be. You want to be in my exclusive community that I've just put together because many of you have been asking me for this. Now, I want to say, joining my community isn't just about learning, even though I'm going to teach you a plethora of information. It's about transformation. So click the link in the description and start your journey today. And I can't wait to see you on the inside. This is exciting. So I taught you 5 best drinks for your kidneys. I'm going to leave you some recipes to make a different juice. And what did we learn from this? That your kidneys work hard every day and that these drinks are simple, that is a simple way to show your kidneys some love. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but let's make this happen. And what I want you to do is stay to see the next video, because my next video is also going to talk about healthy ways to improve your life. I'll see you in the next video.